only rain down the drain. Can you say that?
Only rain down the drain.
The first thing we talk about is what is a stream and what is a river and what species might live in the river. We go into the different types of fish, like our catfish, and the different types of animals that might live there as well, other than just fish, to set the scene of what's happening in their local community. After students learn a little bit about storms and precipitation and rainfall, we talk about where the rain goes once it hits the ground. And one of the main things we discuss is storm drains and the difference between the storm drains and the sewer system and what happens once the rain goes down these storm drains. One of the main purposes of this program is to instill an understanding of how we can protect and conserve our water here in our watershed and what we can do as individuals and as communities to make sure we're keeping our waters clean and protecting it from pollution in all ways that we can.
Educating students on the health of our rivers and watersheds is extremely important to start at a young age. This is the age where they are most impressionable, and we are able to educate them and engage them in their role in keeping our watersheds and our river systems safe and healthy for future generations.
After the students do the stream talk, then they come down to the paint room and they have an opportunity to paint their own dream fish. We collect all of their dream fish and then we come back and we put their fish out on the fence and they look like they're swimming down a stream. The hope is that people who see their fish will be reminded that we need to take care of the fish in the water where they live, but also that it'll spark conversation and the students will be able to share what they've learned in the stream talk with their families and other people in the neighborhood.
We feel at the London District Catholic School Board it's important to educate our students about the importance of environmental stewardship, and we want them to go out into their community and their family and be those stewards and empower others to ensure that we are only putting water and rain down the drain and keeping everyone healthy and safe.
Only rain down the storm drain.
Exactly. So when you're out in your schoolyard, I want you to remember that it's only rain that goes down this drain. It really shouldn't be anything else.